Right. Okay, guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 11th of September 2023. Let me share my screen with you, and we start from the Forex Factory. And Forex Factory is there's not any medium or low impact news. High impact news is low impact on CNY, that's Chinese yen, and the rest of the currencies have some medium impact news. There's no major news. Uh, so let's see what's happening in the Dixie. Right, Dixie is coming down at the moment, and some levels of Dixie. Right, Dixie had a rejection here from here, and this daily candle shows that it probably will be a rejection up to this level, 104.31, and as you can see, this is the situation at the moment, and before it. And there's a gap in the market, so it depends when. Hopefully, market will come down and then maybe go up. Let's see how it reacts to today's trading, and let's see what's happening in the gold. Gold, I did say that this is a strong level of gold, and market did just this level, and we had a good trade on Friday. And yeah, these are the levels currently. So if this level is broken, we can expect move further to the upside, especially these are the levels already marked. It's 1930 level, and then we got 1931 level. Further up to the upside, we've got 1936 level, and so on. These are the levels. However, if we're looking for a sell, depending on Dixie and probability, we can have a good sell from 1930 level. Right, and there's another point to sell is 1935. So these are the areas where there's a fair value gap as well. And yeah, if this 1915 level is broken, 1912 is the next level. And let's see how the market behaves in Asian zone, and we'll take our decisions accordingly in the London and the New York session. So if this level 1912 is broken, the next level is 1900, around 1900, say roughly, and further down we got further levels. 1990 is a level, and 1985. These are the levels. So guys, these are helpful, and always go for levels along with some other probability indicators like fair value gaps and smaller time analysis and trend. And you can always use Fibonacci, and if you have to use RSI, you do that to find the market momentum. And this always do the probability analysis. Don't just stick with one thing. However, the market structure is the primary thing. You can always use market structure as a primary, and then you use different indicators or different techniques, which I mentioned, to have a good trade. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.